Hello and welcome to another Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll be understanding the SUMIF and SUMIFS. So we will go through some examples. First is sum of units for Smith. So as we have only one criteria, we'll use a SUMIF function. So equal to SUMIF range. So we need to get the range. So where is Smith? It's in the salesperson. So our range will be salesperson, comma. Next is criteria. So criteria is Smith. So let's select the Smith as a cell reference, comma. We need to find out the sum of the units. So the sum range would be units. Enter. See, we got the same answer. Next, total sales in December. Again, we'll use SUMIF function and not SUMIFS function, because again we have a single criteria over here. So that will be equal to SUMIF. Again, the range would be the month, because we need to find total sales in December. So entire range I'm going to give, comma. Next criteria was total sales in December, right? So December, we'll select December as a criteria, comma. What do we need to find? Total sales. So the sum range should be sales, and enter. So we got the same result over here. Now the third option, we have total sales where units is greater than 5,000. So we have two conditions over here, right? We need to find the total sales. Sorry, we have only one condition here. We need to find the total sales where units is greater than 5,000. So yes, if we have selected SUMIF function, that is right. Again, it would be equals to SUMIF. Range will be units, because we need to find we have a condition in the units, right? So sum range would be units. Next, my criteria would be greater than, we'll put it in quotes, so greater than 5,000, and sum range would be total sale, that is sales. Enter. See, we got the same results. And now we'll have sum of units for David where product is dairy. If you have chosen the option of SUMIFS, yes, you are right, because we have two criteria over here. So equals to SUMIFS. Now sum range will be units. Okay, comma. From then next, the criteria range is it's David, so that's in salesperson, comma. What is my criteria there? David, comma. What is the product is dairy, so we have to choose the sum range of product, and there we have to choose the criteria would be dairy. Enter. There we got the right answer. Next, total sales in Jan per month for Smith and dairy. So we have, again we have to use SUMIFS function, equal to SUMIFS. So again, my sum range would be total sales. So it's a sales, so sales it will be, comma. My criteria range one is You can select anything. There's no specific order. Either you can go for dairy, Smith and Jan, or you can go for Jan, Smith and dairy. So let's go with the first criteria is January, that is a month. So entire range would be my month, comma, I'll select the cell reference where it says January, comma, next criteria, second criteria is a salesperson, that is Smith. So entire range would be salesperson, comma, select where the cell reference where it mentions as Smith, or you can also put that into brackets, that's your choice. And the third criteria is dairy, so that is in the products. The entire range is products, comma, and it will be dairy over here. Enter. We got the same results. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.